Is your stress unstoppable, your sleep broken, and your immune system failing, despite good habits? The solution isn't a med, but the most powerful neurotransmitter hiding in plain sight. Today, we uncover how GABA controls your mind, your body, and your healing. Welcome to Levitas. Stay until the end of the video for the best GABA foods. Please like and leave your questions, that helps the channel a lot. Thank you very much. What are neurotransmitters? Neurotransmitters are the body's chemical messengers, transmitting signals between neurons, muscles, and glands. These microscopic molecules determine everything from your mood, memory, and focus, to your heart rate, digestion, and stress response. They travel across synapses, the tiny gaps between neurons, binding to receptors that trigger electrical impulses. Each neurotransmitter plays a distinct role. Dopamine rewards you with pleasure, serotonin stabilizes mood, acetylcholine boosts memory, and GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, inhibits overactivity, bringing calm and balance. While excitatory neurotransmitters like glutamate accelerate brain activity, inhibitory neurotransmitters like GABA slow it down, preventing neuronal overfiring. This balance is essential. Too little inhibition, and you experience stress, seizures, or insomnia. Too much, and you may feel fatigued or dull. What makes GABA so powerful is its central role in maintaining neurological harmony across the entire nervous system. According to a 2022 review published in Frontiers in Neuroscience, disruptions in GABA signaling are linked to conditions like sadness, autism, panic disorder, and even gut dysfunction. In simple terms, neurotransmitters are the language your brain and body use to communicate, and GABA is the one that says, slow down. You're safe.
Want to burn fat faster? I created a free science-backed supplements guide to boost your energy, fire up your testosterone, and ignite your metabolism. No fluff, just results. Download the free guide now and start your fat-burning transformation today. First link in the description. This is how metabolic men optimize their stack.
1. Mood benefits. When it comes to mental health, GABA is your brain's built-in brake system. While most people obsess over serotonin or dopamine, few realize that low GABA levels are a major contributor to stress, sadness, panic attacks, and emotional instability. As an inhibitory neurotransmitter, GABA quiets the excess neural chatter that often leads to racing thoughts, rumination, and fear. Research from the Journal of Affective Disorders in 2021 found that individuals with generalized stress disorder had significantly lower GABA concentrations in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for executive function and emotional regulation. By enhancing GABA activity, either through natural foods, lifestyle changes, or supplementation, many people report a drastic improvement in calmness, resilience, and mental clarity. Furthermore, GABA receptors are targets for anti-anxiety meds like benzodiazepines, which enhance GABA's action but carry serious side effects and dependence risks. Supporting natural GABA production offers a safer, more sustainable path to emotional well-being. When GABA flows freely, your nervous system shifts out of fight or flight mode, returning you to a grounded, emotionally stable state where peace, not panic, becomes your baseline. 2. Sleep like a baby. If you're struggling to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up feeling rested, your GABA levels may be too low. GABA is your brain's primary sleep-inducing neurotransmitter, responsible for slowing neural activity, relaxing muscles, and preparing your mind for deep, restorative sleep. Without sufficient GABA, your brain stays in a hyper-aroused state, making it nearly impossible to shut down racing thoughts or fully relax your body. A 2020 study published in Sleep Medicine revealed that people with chronic insomnia had up to 30% less GABA in key brain regions associated with sleep regulation. Interestingly, when participants boosted their GABA through dietary interventions and natural supplementation, their sleep onset time decreased, and sleep quality improved significantly. Unlike melatonin, which helps you initiate sleep, GABA helps you stay asleep and enter deep wave cycles that support brain detoxification, memory consolidation, and hormonal regulation. It's what allows you to wake up restored, rather than groggy. Prioritizing GABA-friendly habits, like fermented foods, breathwork, and cutting caffeine, can dramatically upgrade your sleep architecture without dependence on pharmaceutical sedatives. GABA is the night watchman of the nervous system, keeping your nights peaceful and your mind protected. 3. Muscle benefits. What most people don't know is that GABA plays a vital role in muscle tone, movement coordination, and recovery. Beyond its mental effects, GABA receptors are located throughout your spinal cord, where they inhibit motor neurons and reduce muscle overactivation. This helps prevent cramps, tremors, and muscle tightness, especially during times of stress or overtraining. In fact, a 2021 study from Scientific Reports found that GABA supplementation improved muscle strength recovery in athletes after intense exercise, likely by reducing central nervous system fatigue and enhancing muscle relaxation. GABA supports the transition from sympathetic nervous system activity, or fight or flight mode, to parasympathetic mode, the rest and digest mode, which is essential for repairing muscle fibers and rebuilding strength. Additionally, low GABA levels have been linked to muscle rigidity in conditions like Parkinson's disease and multiple sclerosis, reinforcing its role in motor control. If you're experiencing tight traps, stiff neck, or unexplained muscle pain, poor GABA signaling might be contributing. Supporting GABA can make your body more resilient, improve range of motion, and enhance performance recovery, especially for those balancing exercise, stress, and daily fatigue.
Low energy, belly fat, weak drive? Most men eat 5 foods that quietly destroy testosterone. My free guide shows you what to avoid and what to eat instead to reclaim your hormones, strength, and metabolism. Backed by science. Built for men. Download it free now. Your body will thank you. Second link in the description.
4. Stronger immune system. GABA is not just a neurotransmitter, it's also an immune modulator. Immune cells like macrophages and T cells have GABA receptors, and studies show that GABA signaling plays a key role in balancing immune responses, especially during infection and autoimmune flare-ups. This is revolutionary, because it connects the nervous system and immune system in real time. A 2022 groundbreaking study published in Nature Communications showed that boosting GABA activity in mice reduced the severity of inflammatory responses in autoimmune diseases like type 1 diabetes and multiple sclerosis. GABA was found to inhibit cytokine storms, reduce T-cell overactivation, and enhance immune tolerance, which is critical for calming an overactive immune system. In human research, low GABA levels have been associated with increased markers of inflammation, such as C-reactive protein and interleukin-6. This means GABA doesn't just protect your brain, it also helps defend your immune resilience. Optimizing your GABA through lifestyle, fermented foods, and gut health can help regulate immune overreactions and improve resistance to infections, allergies, and chronic inflammation. In short, GABA helps your immune system stop fighting you, and start fighting what matters. 5. Pain relief. Chronic pain is often misunderstood as just a physical injury, but neuroscience shows it's heavily influenced by nervous system dysregulation, especially low GABA activity. GABA helps inhibit the transmission of pain signals in the spinal cord and brain, acting as your body's natural painkiller. Without enough GABA, nerve pathways stay excited, amplifying pain even when tissue damage is minimal. A 2019 study in the Journal of Neuroscience found that patients with fibromyalgia and neuropathic pain had significantly lower GABA levels in pain-related regions of the brain. Enhancing GABA either naturally or pharmacologically led to noticeable pain reductions, less nerve hypersensitivity, and better daily functioning. Unlike opioids, which blunt pain by targeting the brain's reward system and often lead to addiction, GABA works directly at the pain transmission level, making it a non-addictive, sustainable alternative for managing chronic pain and inflammation. Increasing your body's natural GABA production through diet, exercise, and mindfulness can help calm hyperactive pain pathways, allowing your body to heal rather than remain trapped in a cycle of constant discomfort. GABA is your pain gatekeeper, softening life's sharp edges where it matters most. Best GABA foods you need today. To naturally boost your GABA levels, you don't need a pill, you need the right foods. Several nutrient-dense, GABA-rich and GABA-promoting foods can enhance your brain's ability to produce this calming neurotransmitter. First, Fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, tempeh, and miso provide beneficial probiotic bacteria that influence GABA synthesis in the gut-brain axis. Your gut microbes are key to producing and modulating GABA. Feed them well, and they will return the favor. Next, includes green tea, especially matcha. This is another powerful GABA booster, thanks to its L-theanine content, which increases GABA production and mental clarity without sedation. Other helpful options include almonds, spinach, broccoli, avocado, and unripe bananas, which offer magnesium and vitamin B6, critical cofactors in GABA metabolism. Even dark chocolate in moderation supports healthy GABA activity. A 2023 review in Nutrients confirmed that diets rich in GABA-enhancing foods significantly reduced symptoms of stress, sadness, and insomnia. By choosing whole, fermented, and nutrient-dense foods, you can support your body's own GABA production, calm your mind, repair your muscles, improve sleep, and even shield your immune system, all naturally.
Want to become a high-performance machine? Track your supplements, sleep, hydration, and fat-burning habits, all in one simple tool. This daily tracker keeps you consistent, focused, and results-driven. Download it free now and start operating like a metabolic pro. Real results come from what you track. Third link in the description.
In conclusion, GABA is the body's master calming neurotransmitter, regulating mood, sleep, pain, muscle recovery, and immune function. Low GABA levels lead to stress, insomnia, and inflammation, while natural GABA foods like fermented vegetables, kefir, and green tea help restore balance, improve mental health, and support your nervous system from within. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.